Hi my dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel. The theme of today's film is Bath Lake, located in the southern Urals. Today I will tell you about this wonderful place and show it from bird's eye view. The lake of tectonic origin is located at an altitude of 438 meters above sea level and has a depth of up to 30 meters, thanks to which it ranked first in Bashkortostan in terms of water volume. The lake is picturesquely framed by mountains. From the west we see the mighty Yamankaya Ridge, 942 meters high, and from the southwest hangs the 680 meter mountain Karanyelik, which is translated from the Bashkir language as a Dark Mountain. Bath Lake is located on the 42nd kilometer of the Magnitogorsk-Beloretsk highway and has an area of 780 hectares. The northeastern shore is steepest on the lake. Here we see beautiful rocks in which there is a small grotto. According to a legend, Yemelyan Pugachev many years ago arranged a parking lot for his army and allowed them to wash. Since then, the lake has been called Bath. However, the lake also has another Bashkir name, Yakty-Koy, which translates as a bright lake. The water in the lake is very clear and it lives up to its name. Bath Lake is a pearl of the southern Urals. It seems that nature itself has brought together a bunch of beauty so that a person feels good here. Bath Lake has developed infrastructure for recreation and entertainment. A lot of comfortable hotels and resorts are located on the coast. However, the resort gained particular popularity in 2003 after the construction of a Metallurg Magnitogorsk Sky Center on the slopes of the Yamankaya Ridge. The gondola-type cable car was built by the Austrian company Doppelmayr. It has a height of 1,650 meters with a vertical drop of 450 meters. At an altitude of 942 meters is a fashionable restaurant Mountain Gorge. It bears such a name for a reason. Between the Yamankaya Ridge and the Krikletau Ridge there is beautiful gorge through which the mountain river Kurazak flows. There are 7 ski slopes of varying difficulty with artificial lighting and snowmaking system. Therefore, the season here is long and usually lasts from November to April. In 2010, Metallurg Magnitogorsk was recognized as the best ski center in Russia. From the top of the mountain, a beautiful panorama opens up to 7 lakes located in the field of view. And of course, one cannot but tell about the health resorts of Bath Lake, the main of which is undoubtedly the Yubileyny Sanatorium. It is located on the western coast and was built by the administration of the Magnitogorsk Iron and Steel Works. It has a huge landscaped area and one of the best beaches on the lake. Nearby we see numerous hotels and restaurants as well as the village of Green Meadow. Another village, Yakty-Koy, is located on the southwestern coast. Rich houses here are located right on the beach. Many have their own piers and garages for jet skis. A little further away are more modest dwellings. In the final, I present to your attention the wonderful Sanatorium Yakhti Koy. The signature feature of this resort is the local therapeutic mart, a landscape area, a beautiful beach, and a swimming pool are at the disposal of the guests of the resort. If you like the movie, please put your fingers up, subscribe to my channel. Every Thursday I have another premiere. Thank you all for watching and see you soon.